Oh, y'all, I just can't contain my excitement and my pump up because now that I've finished my draft, all I have left to do is to really dive into my introduction and my conclusion. And so I'm going to do both of them in a very similar manner. In my introduction, it's going to be my very first paragraph, and I'm going to think about it as 3 sentences. My first will be a general statement, my second will be specific, and my third, I've already done, woot woot, it's my thesis. Only in this case, I didn't write this one, DJ Billy did, and it is awesome. So let's dive in. We're going to start with our general statement, and I'm going to make myself disappear so you can focus on that great writing you're about to see. All right, so the general statement, when we look at that, it's simply going to be an idea that's big picture and pulls us in or hooks us into the topic. I might ask a question or make a statement that's really relatable and easy to connect to at a personal level. And so I wanted to relate to the prompt and pull my reader in. What is the responsibility of the average person in times of crisis? Okay, when I think about that prompt, I'm thinking about how I'm feeling overwhelmed and like I've entered a dystopian future. And that's probably something my audience can relate to too. So I'm going to start there. Notice I'm going to write it right connected to my thesis because it's actually going to be the first sentence of my essay. It may seem like we've entered some alarming dystopian future as the coronavirus has become a pandemic. All right, it's general, it's relatable, it pulls my reader in. So now I'm ready to get into my specific sentence. This is a great place to get into the heart of what the prompt is going to be about and also introduce any text that are going to be there as I lead my reader to my thesis. And so in I cannot remain silent. Let me see if I can copy and paste these next two. Oh, it's not working. Okay, and I cannot remain silent. Italians find moments of joy in this moment of anxiety and want to do something about the coronavirus. Here are 5 ideas. Editorial authors explore the role we each face in uncertain times. If we are facing uncertainty or crisis, we can listen to the scientists. Okay, so you'll notice I get specific in, probably going to change the word uncertain because it's a little bit repetitive in challenging times. Okay, so now I've written my specific statement. So now I'm ready to have my thesis, which is already done. Let's read the whole thing together and see how it flows. It may seem like we've entered some alarming dystopian future as the coronavirus has become a pandemic. And I cannot remain silent. Italians find moments of joy in this moment of anxiety and want to do something about the coronavirus. Here are 5 ideas. Editorial authors explore the role we each face in challenging times. If we are facing uncertainty or crisis, we can listen to scientists with better warnings of any virus, finding effective ways to deal with stress and anxiety, and having backup plans in crisis. Okay, so I start big and I go to small. I'm general, I'm specific, and then of course I have my thesis. Thanks for tuning in, y'all.